Alright, see it now we make cocoa bread. Right? So get some sugar, get some yeast. Right? Mix that up and make that sit for a while. Put some flour in the mixer, some salt and some sugar. Yeast ready now, so we dump it out in our mixer and make that one mix. Add some milk, add some egg, add piece of butter. You know, so cocoa bread if you have the butter, then we put that for ferment for a couple of hours. Put it that bad. Right? So after we flour, after we do nice and proof, what we're doing now, we just cut up that. Yeah man, just cut up that boy, just go and cut up that. Yeah, then we'll make the folded bread them. So put some cheese in there, put some butter in there, and then we'll just make that proof. Yeah. Just put some cheese, put some butter, and we'll just make that proof for a while. Boy, I got style. Watch this.